Hello friends, my name is Adhiraj Paramveer Bhateja. Today I am going to tell you how to dry clean your leather jacket at home. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel Frolic Smile and share this video as much as you can. For dry cleaning leather jacket, we will take one cotton based handy towel, 50 mm brush and white petrol. You have to slowly pour white petrol as white petrol fades away quickly in air. Friends, let me tell you that white petrol is also known as white solvent. Now you have to dip the cloth in white petrol and quickly move your hands onto the jacket. Friends, white petrol helps to remove away the dust and dirt present on the jacket. Now take your 50 mm brush and dip it in white petrol and move it quickly inside the jacket. Friends, again I am telling you that white petrol fades away quickly, so we have to take it in very less amount. See how it fades away when we put our finger in it. Now quickly clean your jacket from inside. According to this process, you can dry clean your leather and rexine jacket. Remember, you have to repeat this process for 2 to 3 times. After the whole process, you have to hang your jacket in shed for 1 to 1.5 hours. With this method, you can easily dry clean your leather, rexine or velvet jacket at home. So friends, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel Frolic Smile. I will be coming up with more videos like this. Please stay with Frolic Smile. Thank you.